would leave it a top mechanism?
Yeah, a top mechanism.
Really? Interesting.
Because a bucket is, this is the normal size bucket you get everywhere.
Right.
So when you use it, then this is the place you sit, so you can use it that way.
Once the clockwise and once the anti-clockwise is the better option. Always in the washing machine. If you continuously, if you are agitating in the clockwise direction, there won't be any benefit of that.
Right.
Okay.
When you go in for the mechanism of the side systems, when you apply pressure, the bucket is going to turn. Not the clothing, but the bucket.
30-40 years, people are used to grind the floor in this fashion. So they grind wheat and other, and then create floors by just hand grinding. So that mechanism is like this only, But this is always convenient actually. This is always convenient.